I'm going to share it now sa people you know.
Hold on, Jomari. Are you sure that's real?
I saw it in social media.
Just because you saw it in social media doesn't mean it's real.
Yes, another part of the clip, don't spread fake news. If you're sure you have information, believe something. We should always check reliable sources before sharing it.
So I share it.
Exactly, verify first.
You guys are right. Sharing unverified information could cause problems. I'm sorry guys, I didn't realize that my action can cause harm to us and people.
It's okay, at least you are aware. And we hope you'll be responsible next time.
Exactly. Just rest. Just rest.
Wait guys, let me record this. Hi guys, we're hanging out right now at the plaza and these are my friends. Netiquette? What is that?
Etiquette means having good manners and right conduct using internet.
Yes, because posting our exact location while we're still here, we can affect our privacy. And the strangers hold you up if they say you might cause harm.
So it's safer to post videos and photos after we leave.
Oh, I'm sorry guys, I didn't realize that my action might cause harm to others.
The internet is powerful and useful, but we have to use it wisely.
Before posting anything, think about privacy and safety.
Think about truth, think about others. So think before you post.